Hi, this is the 3D printing lawyer. Today I'm pitting the new Bambu Cool Plate SuperTack against the standard textured PEI plate that comes with the A1. On the left is the standard textured PEI plate that comes with the A1. On the right is the Bambu Cool Plate SuperTack. This is the adhesion torture test I used. It has a 1 centimeter base and slopes at a 45-degree angle, increasing in size. No walls, all infill. I wiped the textured PEI with alcohol between tests and the cool plate with just a sponge and distilled water. Remember, you're not supposed to use organic solvents on the cool plate, including alcohol. Comes in a pretty plain looking thing. It's just in this cardboard that's regular corrugated cardboard. The label it looks like this. It's very has a rubber-like texture to it. It's very grippy, in my opinion. And you can use both sides and seam surface. That's pretty cool. Hi, this is a 3D printing lawyer. I did a comparison with the Bambu Lab's Cool Plate SuperTack versus regular textured PEI. And got really amazing results, in my opinion. So I'm part of the PEI, the textured PEI plate at 3 different temperatures at 0 degrees, while the ambient was closer to 24, 45, and 65. And then I printed the SuperTack at 0 and 45. That's because the profile in Bambu Labs has the textured PEI at 65 degrees and has the SuperTack at 45 degrees. I didn't really want to exceed the temperature on what the profile said. So here's my torture test, and it's quite the torture test. It does a 1 centimeter square and then goes at a 45-degree angle and just grows exponentially. So it did amazingly well. So this is the tallest I got in the textured PEI, which was 75 layers at 65 degrees. I got 30 layers at 45 degrees, which is the same temperature that the SuperTack is supposed to print at. And then I only got 1 layer at ambient temperature. And on the SuperTack, I got 131 layers at ambient temperature, which way beats the 65 degrees with the PEI. And then I got 184 layers at 45 degrees. The SuperTack. That's pretty amazing. This is just PEI. Sorry, this is just PLA test. I would be doing a PETG test soon. Thank you. Have a good day. What do you think? Got comments or questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.